I was yours for the taking. Guess I needed a home. But if I'm not mistaken, you were good on your own. Oh, and I know I was drunk enough. Didn't know it would mess me up, yeah. Now I'm truly awakened up. Say you wanna talk again, but it's time I do this my way. I don't wanna be your friend. Think we hit our expiration date. I want you to feel the weight, feel the hate that I felt when we came to an end. You don't get to call me up, tell me that you need forgiveness. You're the one who called it off, broke my heart in just a minute. No, you don't get to call it love when it wasn't even close. No, it wasn't even close.
Hi guys, good afternoon. Yes, it is afternoon right now.
Jesus.
You guys, I'm playing this my reel.
Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Hey, I beg. Jesus.
Like, I even had to put it on my YouTube. For the very first time, I actually uploaded a YouTube Shorts. I've been trying to hop on the YouTube Shorts gang, and that was a perfect way to start posting YouTube Shorts. Anyway, that's not why I'm here. Today is Thursday, and I'm currently at the National Children's Park and Zoo. That's what it's called. One of the oldest parks in Abuja, and to be honest, one of the better maintained parks, you know, in Abuja. I'm not here with Mia Rose, obviously. I'm not here with any child. I'm not here with any kid. It's just me, because myself and the girls will be having a picnic today. Yes. As with us, you guys know that when we do stuff like this, it's mostly content purposes for our page and also to have fun. So I think I'm the first person to get here. Tengu is almost here. Waka Waka is almost here as well. Princess will be coming today because she's indisposed, but we do have 2 other moms joining us, so we're going to be 5, I think. 4 or 5, I think 1 or 2 more than moms, I'm not sure, but you guys will see them when they get here. And yeah guys, we're gonna have fun. To be honest, it rained this morning. I was so sure that this picnic would not hold. It's not like super bright or sunny right now, but the weather is okay, at least, you get. So anyway guys, I'll show you guys what we get up to when we get in there. I think we're gonna have an outfit change too. I think Tengu has some dresses that we're going to wear as well for content and all of that, you guys would see. And yeah, 1 or 2 dances. You guys know that our Soft Life group page, we're either enjoying chopping life or we are dancing. That's what we are doing. Anyway guys, I'll take you guys in with me into this place and show you guys all that we get up to today. Waka Waka just arrived. The only Waka Waka of Abuja. See her. See her with her orange dress. Where's my own dress? Oh, Ulam, you get power. Good gear.
Hi everyone.
Hi. I do.
Yeah.
Are you serious? Let me just carry the makeup back because I forgot your dress is fine though.
Thank you, Jerry.
Kofi, I've missed you. I think let me see your makeup. Hey, what's happening here? My dress from Wura.
I've been waiting all night. Watch you blow up my life. Please don't come over, 'cause you're not sober. Yeah, now you know that ain't right. If you knew you was coming over, that would be a problem.
You like it?
If our friends knew undercover love, they would try to solve it.
1, 2, 3, sorry, down. 1, 2, 3, down. 3 sides. Left foot. Again. Down. 1, 2, 3, sides. Okay. We are left front. Okay. Feel for your head.
Please don't touch me like that. 'Cause you know I'll react.
The next day.
I want to be like you.
You want to be like me?
Yeah?
What do you want to do?
I want to spray perfume
And do what again?
video.
And video?
Yeah.
Just like me?
Yeah.
You want to spray perfume and video just like mom?
Yeah. Mommy.
Because you watch every single thing I do, innit?
Yeah. Today, look, that's mommy's food today.
That's mommy's food today. Oh, okay. She's the one showing you guys. She said she wants a video just like mommy. Oh, yeah.
So I said chicken.
Uh-huh.
Ask her.
Oh, is that so, baby?
It's a phone.
It's my phone?
Mommy,
Yes.
do you want to cook?
No, I don't want to cook, Mama. I'm not cooking anything today. I'm tired.
Uh-huh.
And there's food in the house, so I'm not cooking nothing.
Mommy, be a video in a parlor.
You do my video in the parlor?
Yes.
Okay, I'm coming right there. I need to video something really quickly in the kitchen first. Guys, good morning. Hope you guys are doing well. You guys have seen that Mia is slowly taking over my channel. Like slowly but surely, but she is getting there. Let me show them my bottle.
Hey, see my buttons, the pretty hot buttons. Says mommy. Today, mommy, made me serve.
You've already showed them now.
Mom, today is mommy's birthday.
No, today. Ever since my birthday, Mia believes that my birthday is every day. Like literally. Anyways, before Mia interrupted, I just wanted to come and show you guys what I'm having now. I'm hungry. I had like something very light in the morning, but I'm really hungry because I've been editing all morning. So my husband was at this place yesterday, Uncle T's. He went for a photography job. I think he photographed an event there yesterday, and this is what he came back with, right? But he is sort of like on a strict diet for health reasons. He's on a strict diet, so he's not eating a lot of carbs like rice and all of that. So he brought this entire thing back yesterday. I've actually been wanting to go to this Uncle T's, to be honest, but I just haven't had a chance to visit. But I think it's in Jabi. But anyway, this is what the food is looking like. There's rice, there's spring rolls, there's chicken, and it looks really yummy, if I'm being completely honest. So I just want to put this.
See my new car. It's so pretty. Oh, but it's my dad. I see my clothes. See my name.
That's not your name on your clothes. That's not your name. Why do you think that anything that is written somewhere is your name?
Mommy, it's my name.
Your name is not what is on your cloth. What is on your top is Boo. B-O-O. That's not the spelling of your name.
Yeah, it's my name.
You can never agree that it's not your name. Anyway, I want to put this food in the microwave and eat because I'm hungry and I want to continue watching. I'm watching something on Netflix now. It's called 7 Seconds. My husband put me up to it, and the thing is, when it comes to Netflix, once my husband tells me watch this thing, it's interesting, I watch it because it's always interesting. He does not hype nonsense. If he hypes it, then it means it's good. So I started watching it 2 days ago, and it's quite emotional, if I'm being honest. It's very, very emotional. But yeah, I'm gonna just have my food and watch 7 Seconds. All right,
Guys.
this smells amazing, guys. Like, it smells really nice.
I see chicken.
Chicken and what?
Rice.
Let me have a spoon and give you guys a review.
Mommy, can I try it?
It is really good. It's really nice. I totally recommend. I have to go back here and grab something else to eat too, because I really have to visit this place and know what's up, because the food is really, really nice. This way. This one that enjoys shopping more than anything. Okay, thank you. I need to get some. We have that already. Yeah, one. Just one. Okay. Which one do we get? This one? Okay. What did you put in there?
I don't know.
Hey.
No, that is my song.
Okay, dance them. Eh? 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 It's for summer school, okay?
Ooh, I'm going to show all my friends.
I don't really like air vehicle. I want to get an air freshener for my car. No, no, no.
Why?
I don't know to get this.
Mommy,
What? Okay, which one do you want? Just pick one. Just one. One. This bikini.
we'll have daddy at home.
No, we don't. We have that in at home.
No?
Yeah.
Not only one.
No, it's two we are buying. Oh, yeah, I'll put it inside the basket over there. No, it's this one. It's not this one.
Two of them, Mommy.
Which two of them? There's only one I'm buying.
It's all two of them.
No. It's just one.
Don't worry. It's two of them.
You want the two of them?
Yeah.
All right. And which one again? Oh, thank you. Take. Why are you pushing the book for that? I don't want her to forget it. Oh my, you guys are probably tired of me and this my hair bonnet by now. It is the most comfy hair bonnet I own, and you guys are probably like, oh my, this is the only one you have. This is the comfortable one I have. So hope you guys are doing good. I just wanted to just quickly say thank you guys so much for the love on the last vlog. I think we are going to America for Mubo vlog. There was a lot of love on that video. The comments, I'm yet to reply comments, but I will reply in due time. I've just had a lot going on, guys, like roller coaster, but I'm going to definitely start replying comments on that video very soon. Thank you guys so much for all the love. Grandma Mia got to America safely. She's been having a good time with my brother and his wife and her grandson, and maybe right now she also set some clips of the very first time that she met him. Okay, so the very first time that she met him together with her sister. So her sister that lives in Jos here in Nigeria is also on holiday in America, so they're literally holidaying together, all of them together. So the first time that they both saw my nephew, I'll put that clip right now, and then I also put a clip of one of her grandma duties or something, so you guys could just see what she's getting up to.
There's a baby here.
Yes.
It's probably upstairs. It's probably upstairs. So it's probably upstairs. Let's go upstairs. I think we're going.
All you take care of. You have to carry the guy for one.
We'll go until you.
Oh, baby.
Yeah, that's my house until you.
On that side of the sitting room. Wow. There were two windows.
Babe?
Oh, no.
Mommy, doesn't the house smell like baby? I know, right? Yes, sir.
He was just eating, so he might
Baba.
Is it Jesus? Mama delege. Bianene how much you can is it Jesus? Ekene delege. Bianene how much you can is it Jesus? Mama delege.
Baba.
Welcome. How are you? Congratulations. Thank you.
I tell her that all the time now. Oh, that's so pretty.
No. Jehovah. So because Kuyama. What is it? What's the name? No, we're walking you up with our noise. Chuboy Junior. Sounds like you might have a fraud.
He takes a break from crying and then he can cry.
Baba.
He's tired.
He's tired from crying.
Look at him.
Wait, is he sleeping?
Nope. He's like, well, give me all a second before I start crying again.
Guy, relax. Guy. You don't do.
Yeah, so you can see that she is very busy. She has her hands full with her grandson, okay? And yeah, she's doing good. We speak almost on a daily basis. She's doing okay. Just so you guys will know, just some an update there for you guys that have been asking. And yeah, that's it. I have a lot to do today. I'm just trying to finish up and get on with the rest of my day. I have my laptop in front of me. Work, you won't joke, but it is what it is, okay? I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. What's up now? Hi. You guys, look who is back from Botswana. This one is here, always ready to show off things. Shifts one side, ma. Excuse me. Take chicken. How was Botswana?
It was good now, you know, I came back with all my medals, you know.
Yeah.
Star girl things.
Valedictorian. Class president. This guy, you don't book too much.
And the youngest law enforcement officer there, if I might add. Yeah, I was made class president. So.
Collect your accolades, please. You deserve it. Collect it. You joke. What's the name of the town? Yeah, the city you were in?
Gaborone.
Hope
I pronounced it well. Gaborone, yeah.
Gaborone. How was Gaborone?
The capital. Oh, it was beautiful. Very clean. Very beautiful. Very organized. And Botswana people love two things. They love meat and they love salt.
Are you serious? Like seriously?
Lamb chop,
I'm down.
Chops, pork ribs.
I'm down
sausage,
for the meat.
Chicken.
And you know that's you. You love meat.
I saw meat that could never eat. See me meat now.
Oh, that's what's up. Welcome back.
Thank you.
Go fear. Law enforcement officer.
See your stomach, man.
I go slap. I just ate now.
I just ate. My slapper.
Hi. How are you? You good? Yeah. Just made your hair. Yeah. Get Meanwhile, Khalid don't come up from his brother's house. Khalid, at least on your last bed we rest. In fact, our bed we rest finally. Bye, sir. Bye.
She must have cried.
Your little cousin, good girl. Did you see Auntie Toya? Auntie Toya? You know Auntie Toya? Yes.
Toya was feeding the baby.
It's your little cousin you want to see. You're going to, when Jumper is going, Jumper will take you to America so you can see your little cousin.
Where's your visa? Your passport?